Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the materials for all of the items on Dress to Impress. So it works for only like the high graphics quality. I'm just gonna tell that to you right now. So I'm just gonna pick a dress. Yeah, I'll choose this one. And I want to change the material of this dress. I can do that. Select the dress, press the plus button on the very right, and you can finally change the materials for all of the items. So there's default, matte, glitter, rainbow glitter, denim, silk, light silk, metallic, neon, and foil. That is so cute. Oh my god, you can actually do this for all of the items. I'm going to try to do that on this one. Let's see. Wow, you can actually do that. I'm impressed. That is awesome. Hopefully they'll have it all the time. But yeah, that is how you can change the material of all of the items on Dress to Impress. You're not limited to one item to have these materials. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I don't think you can do it for the wings though. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.